In the fast-paced world we live in, it's easy to find ourselves caught up in the daily grind, feeling disconnected from our true aspirations. We often have a vague sense of what we want to achieve, but the path to getting there seems unclear and daunting. This is where the power of effective goal setting and creating a personalized action plan comes into play. By clearly defining your goals, breaking them down into manageable steps, and developing a systematic approach to achieving them, you can bridge the gap between your current reality and the life you've always dreamed of living. As Tracy, a renowned expert in personal development, emphasizes, goals allow you to control the direction of change in your favor. Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART, goals gives you clarity and focus, enabling you to channel your energy and resources towards what truly matters. The process of goal setting is not merely about writing down a few desires, it's about delving deep into your aspirations, understanding what drives you, and creating a roadmap that will guide you towards success. The first step in crafting an effective action plan is deciding what you truly want. This requires introspection and honesty. Many people struggle with setting clear goals because they haven't reflected on their values, passions, and long-term objectives. Instead of setting vague goals, such as be happy or make more money, challenge yourself to be specific and multidimensional. Consider various areas of your life, including career, health, relationships, personal growth, and financial well-being. What does success look like in each domain? What milestones do you want to achieve? By painting a vivid picture of your ideal future, you create a powerful anchor that will motivate and guide you through challenges and setbacks. Once you have a clear vision of what you want, the next crucial step is writing down your goals. Putting your objectives on paper has a profound psychological impact. It transforms your goals from mere thoughts into tangible commitments, activating your subconscious mind and intensifying your determination to succeed. Tracy recommends using the 3-goal method, which involves quickly identifying and capturing your top 3 priorities in each area of your life. By focusing on these key objectives, you can allocate your time and energy effectively, ensuring steady progress towards your most important goals. The act of writing down your goals is a powerful catalyst for change. It's a declaration of intent, a promise to yourself that you will take action and make your dreams a reality. When you put pen to paper, you engage in a sacred ritual that has been practiced by successful individuals throughout history. From ancient philosophers to modern-day visionaries, the habit of writing down goals has been a common thread that ties them together. But why is writing down your goals so effective? The answer lies in the power of the subconscious mind. By committing your goals to paper, you send a clear signal to your subconscious that these objectives are important to you. It's like planting a seed in fertile soil, allowing it to take root and grow. Your subconscious mind begins to work tirelessly behind the scenes, guiding your thoughts, actions, and decisions towards the attainment of your goals. Moreover, the act of writing creates a deeper level of emotional connection to your goals. It engages multiple senses: the tactile sensation of the pen in your hand, the visual representation of your dreams on paper, and the mental process of articulating your desires. This multisensory experience etches your goals into your memory, making them more vivid and real. When you write down your goals, you also gain a sense of accountability. The words staring back at you from the page serve as a constant reminder of the commitments you've made to yourself. They act as a gentle nudge, urging you to stay focused and take consistent action, even when obstacles arise or motivation wanes. To make the most of this powerful technique, Tracy suggests using the 3-goal method. This approach involves quickly jotting down your 3 most important goals in each area of your life. By limiting yourself to just 3 goals per category, you force yourself to prioritize and focus on what truly matters. It's a simple yet effective way to cut through the noise and zero in on the objectives that will have the greatest impact on your life. When selecting your 3 goals, don't overthink it. Trust your instincts and go with the goals that resonate with you on a deep emotional level. These are the objectives that will ignite your passion and drive you forward, even when the going gets tough. Once you have your 3 goals written down, take a moment to visualize yourself achieving them. See yourself crossing the finish line, feeling the sense of pride and accomplishment that comes with reaching your objectives. But the power of writing down your goals doesn't stop there. It's not just a one-time event, but rather an ongoing process of reflection, refinement, and recommitment. As you progress towards your goals, take the time to review what you've written regularly. Reassess your priorities, make adjustments as needed, and celebrate your successes along the way. By consistently engaging with your written goals, you keep them at the forefront of your mind. They become a part of your daily thoughts and conversations, influencing your actions and shaping your destiny. You start to attract people, resources, and opportunities that align with your objectives, as if the universe is conspiring to help you achieve your dreams. So if you haven't already, grab a pen and a piece of paper. Take a few moments to reflect on what you truly want in life. What are the goals that set your soul on fire? What are the dreams that keep you up at night, filled with excitement and anticipation? Write them down and watch as the magic unfolds. Remember, writing down your goals is not a guarantee of success, but it is a powerful tool that can help you clarify your vision, stay focused, and take consistent action towards your desires. It's a simple yet profound act that can transform your life in ways you never thought possible. As you embark on this journey of goal setting and action planning, know that you have the power within you to create the life you've always wanted. Your goals are not just distant dreams, but achievable realities waiting to be claimed. So put pen to paper and let your words be the catalyst that propels you forward towards a future filled with purpose, passion, and unimaginable success. The next critical step in crafting your action plan is setting deadlines for your goals. A goal without a timeline is merely a wish, lacking the necessary structure and sense of urgency to propel you forward. By assigning specific target dates to your objectives, you create a framework that keeps you focused and accountable. Deadlines act as a powerful motivator, pushing you to take consistent action and make the most of your time. When setting deadlines, it's important to strike a balance between ambition and realism. Challenge yourself to step outside your comfort zone, but avoid setting deadlines so aggressive that they become overwhelming or demotivating. For larger, more complex goals, consider breaking them down into smaller milestones, each with its own sub-deadline. This approach allows you to maintain momentum and celebrate progress along the way, keeping you engaged and motivated throughout the journey. It's also crucial to understand that deadlines are not set in stone. Life is unpredictable, and circumstances may change. Be willing to adjust your timeline as needed, while still maintaining a sense of urgency and commitment to your goals. The key is to use deadlines as a tool for focus and accountability, rather than a source of stress or self-judgment. With your goals clearly defined and deadlines in place, it's time to dive into the nitty-gritty of your action plan. This is where the rubber meets the road and where you'll need to roll up your sleeves and get to work. The next step is to create a comprehensive list of all the actions required to bring your goals to fruition. Start by brainstorming every task, big or small, that you can think of related to your goals. Don't worry about the order or priority at this stage. Simply focus on getting all your ideas down on paper. Consider the resources you'll need, the skills you'll have to acquire, and the people whose support and expertise will be essential to your success. As you compile your list, don't be afraid to think outside the box. Challenge yourself to explore new approaches and consider unconventional solutions. Sometimes the most innovative ideas come from stepping outside our comfort zone and looking at things from a fresh perspective. Once you have a comprehensive list of actions, it's time to organize them by priority and sequence. This is where the 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto principle, comes into play. The 80-20 rule states that roughly 80% of your results will come from 20% of your efforts. By identifying and prioritizing the most impactful tasks on your list, you can focus your energy where it will make the greatest difference. To prioritize your actions, start by identifying the tasks that are most critical to achieving your goals. These are the non-negotiables, the actions that must be taken no matter what. Give these tasks the highest priority and allocate your time and resources accordingly. Next, look for tasks that are important but not urgent. These are the activities that will contribute to your long-term success but may not have an immediate deadline. While it's easy to put these tasks on the back burner, it's crucial to carve out time for them consistently. They may not yield instant results, but they lay the foundation for sustained progress and growth. As you prioritize your actions, also consider the sequence in which they need to be completed. Some tasks may be dependent on others, requiring you to complete them in a specific order. For example, if your goal is to launch a new business, you may need to conduct market research before developing your product or service. By understanding the logical sequence of your actions, you can create a clear roadmap that minimizes wasted time and effort. Another important aspect of organizing your actions is identifying potential obstacles and challenges. No journey is without its setbacks, and anticipating them in advance can help you navigate them more effectively. Take the time to consider the roadblocks you may face and develop contingency plans for overcoming them. This proactive approach will give you the confidence and resilience needed to stay the course, even when the going gets tough. In addition to prioritizing and sequencing your actions, it's essential to create a schedule that supports your goals. Break your actions down into daily, weekly, and monthly tasks, and allocate dedicated time for each. Be realistic in your scheduling, taking into account your existing commitments and responsibilities. Remember, consistency is key. Small, daily steps taken consistently over time will lead to significant progress and achievement. As you implement your action plan, be sure to track your progress and celebrate your successes along the way. Regularly review your list of actions, checking off completed tasks and adjusting your priorities as needed. Take the time to reflect on your accomplishments, no matter how small, and use them as fuel for further motivation and momentum. Remember, creating an effective action plan is not a one-time event, but an ongoing process of refinement and adaptation. As you move forward, be open to feedback and willing to make changes as needed. Embrace the challenges and setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning, and trust in your ability to overcome them. By following these steps and organizing your actions with intention and focus, you'll be well on your way to achieving your goals and creating the life you've always dreamed of. Your action plan will serve as a powerful tool for clarity, motivation, and accountability, guiding you towards success one step at a time. So take a deep breath, roll up your sleeves, and dive in. The journey ahead may be challenging, but with a well-crafted action plan as your roadmap, you have everything you need to turn your dreams into reality. Embrace the process, trust in yourself, and know that every action you take, no matter how small, is a step towards the life you truly desire. With your actions prioritized and sequenced, it's time to integrate your plan into your daily life through consistent scheduling and progress tracking. This is where the rubber meets the road and where your aspirations transform from abstract ideas into tangible results. By creating a schedule that supports your goals and regularly reviewing your progress, you maintain focus, momentum, and motivation throughout your journey. To begin, break your actions down into daily, weekly, and monthly tasks. This process of chunking your goals into manageable pieces makes them feel less overwhelming and more achievable. Start by identifying the most critical tasks that align with your priorities and move you closer to your objectives. These are the non-negotiables, the actions that must be taken consistently to maintain progress. When scheduling your tasks, be realistic and honest with yourself. Consider your existing commitments, responsibilities, and energy levels. It's important to strike a balance between pushing yourself outside your comfort zone and avoiding burnout. Remember, consistency is key. Small daily steps taken consistently over time will lead to significant progress and achievement. One effective strategy for scheduling your tasks is time blocking. This involves dedicating specific blocks of time to focused work on your goals. By carving out dedicated time in your calendar, you create a sacred space for progress and minimize distractions. Whether it's an hour each morning or a few focused sessions throughout the week, time blocking helps you prioritize your goals and make them a non-negotiable part of your routine. As you implement your schedule, be sure to track your progress and celebrate your successes along the way. Regular review and reflection are essential for maintaining motivation and making adjustments as needed. Take time each week to look back on what you've accomplished, acknowledge your efforts, and identify areas for improvement. Celebrating your successes, no matter how small, is a crucial part of the process. It's easy to get caught up in the pursuit of the end goal and forget to acknowledge the milestones along the way. By taking a moment to recognize your progress, you reinforce the positive habits and mindset that will carry you forward. Whether it's treating yourself to a favorite activity, sharing your accomplishments with a supportive friend, or simply taking a moment to reflect on how far you've come, celebration is a powerful tool for maintaining momentum. In addition to tracking your successes, it's equally important to learn from your setbacks. No journey is without its challenges, and it's how you respond to these challenges that defines your growth and resilience. When you encounter obstacles or fall short of your expectations, take a step back and assess the situation objectively. What can you learn from this experience? How can you adjust your approach moving forward? Remember, setbacks are not failures, but opportunities for learning and refinement. By embracing a growth mindset and viewing challenges as chances to improve, you cultivate the resilience and adaptability needed to achieve your goals. So, when you face a setback, don't let it discourage you. Instead, use it as fuel for motivation and recommit to your vision with renewed determination. As you continue to take action and track your progress, it's essential to remain flexible and open to change. Your action plan is a living document, a roadmap that guides you towards your goals. But like any map, it may need to be adjusted as new information or circumstances arise. Be willing to reassess your priorities, modify your timeline, and pivot your strategy as needed. This flexibility is not a sign of weakness, but a strength. It demonstrates your ability to adapt, learn, and grow in the face of change. By remaining open to new opportunities and perspectives, you position yourself to capitalize on unexpected advantages and overcome unforeseen challenges. So as you move forward, embrace the journey with a spirit of curiosity and openness, knowing that each step, whether forward or backward, is an integral part of your growth and progress. As you near the conclusion of this exploration into crafting an effective action plan, it's important to take a moment to reflect on the significance of the journey ahead. Your goals, your dreams, and your aspirations are not mere fantasies, but powerful forces that shape the trajectory of your life. By taking the time to clarify your vision, break it down into actionable steps, and commit to consistent progress, you set yourself up for a future filled with purpose, fulfillment, and success. But the true power of an effective action plan lies not just in the achievement of your goals, but in the person you become along the way. As you pursue your objectives with discipline, resilience, and determination, you cultivate the very qualities that will serve you in every area of life. You develop the courage to face challenges head-on, the adaptability to navigate change, and the self-belief to overcome any obstacle in your path. So as you embark on this journey of personal growth and achievement, remember that you are not alone. You are part of a long lineage of individuals who have dared to dream big, set ambitious goals, and take consistent action towards their realization. By following in their footsteps and crafting your own unique path, you tap into a wellspring of potential and possibility that knows no bounds. As you move forward, armed with your action plan and a renewed sense of purpose, remember to embrace the process with joy and gratitude. Celebrate the small victories, learn from the setbacks, and never lose sight of the bigger picture. Your goals may be the destination, but it's the journey itself that will shape you, refine you, and reveal the true depths of your strength and resilience. So, take a deep breath, trust in yourself, and take that first step. The path ahead may be uncertain, but with your action plan as your guide and your unwavering commitment as your compass, you have everything you need to create a life of extraordinary achievement and fulfillment. Embrace the challenge, stay the course, and know that with each passing day, you are one step closer to turning your dreams into a living, breathing reality. In the end, crafting an effective action plan is not just about achieving your goals, but about discovering the best version of yourself. It's about unleashing your full potential, embracing your unique gifts, and making a positive impact on the world around you. So, as you continue on this journey of self-discovery and achievement, remember that your greatest power lies within. You are the architect of your own destiny, the master of your own fate. And with an effective action plan as your blueprint, there is no limit to what you can achieve.